Hi everybody, it's Sarah here, and today I'm in the toilet with Sandy and I'm going to bath her today. As you can see, she's biting the thing and she's not allowed to, Sandy. And so yeah, this is quite safe for hamster to bathe in water. Some people may think that it's not safe and blah blah blah. And so yeah, and actually it's not true. It's quite safe because I had done this many times with my hamster. And well, what I did is I bathed them with warm water, and this shampoo is actually good for their fur and skin. And so yeah, it doesn't wash away the oil on their fur. It's actually make how to say, produce more oil on their fur. And so yeah, I'm now going to show you how I bathe my hamster with this cup I'm going to use and pour it with water. So yeah, here it goes, and there is Sandy. And I'm going to use the warm water. So yeah, just warm water. I try not to make my phone wet because my phone is an iPhone, so yeah, I try not to make it wet. By the way, make sure that the water is not too hot or too cold because your hamster, well, for coldness they can catch cold, and for hotness they can burn their skin. So try not to put them in hot water. So this is just warm. And so as you can see, she don't really like it, but it doesn't matter because all hamsters need to go through this. And so yeah, as you see, she's trying to get out. I think the water is too hot maybe. Alright, Sandy, wait first. Okay, so if it's too hot, put a little bit of cold water in it so they won't feel hot in it. And so yeah, try not to put too much water because hamsters actually can't swim. They only can stay in water, but I mean they do swim. I mean they can swim, but they can't swim that long. Oops, sorry Sandy, your face is wet all of a sudden. Sandy, no. So yeah, and now another thing is to make your pet hamster wet your hamster coat with warm water, and make sure the water is not too high to their level because this will be this is be just nice for them. So as you can see, she's panicking, and yeah, because actually there's no need to worry because this shampoo is not human being one, it's for hamsters, and it's really good for their skin and fur, so on and so forth. As you can see, I put it already, and this time I need to rub fur and things. So as you can see how skinny she is. And try not to wet their fur. Not their fur. Try not to wet their face because they don't really like it. And so on and so forth. And so yeah. And I'm later going to be Safi, as you guys should know, my pudding hamster. But I'm just going to show you that this kind of shampoo is not a very harm thing with your hamster. It's actually produce more oil on their fur and their skin. And so on and so forth. And so yeah, I'm trying to throw away all the old water because it's already produced with this oiliness. And wait for 5 minutes and let your hamster rest for a while. Well, not 5 minutes, at least a few seconds of stuff. As you can see, her tail is very high up and she starts to shit. And so on and so forth. So yeah, a lot of people thinking what kind of Syrian hamster is she? Well, I'm not too sure because I only bought her because she's pretty and so on and so forth. And so yeah, make sure to wash your hamster with warm water so that they won't get a coldness or whatever. And so yeah, I think I better stop the video down here. Then after this, when you put some soap on the fur like this type, you can't use human being soap because it's not good for hamster skin. You must use like their kind of shampoo, this kind. Okay, it's focused right now. It's called Small Animal Shampoo, and it costs, well, I forgot what is it cost. They didn't put the price, so I don't know. So I think it's $7 or whatever. And so yeah, I think I better stop this video because I need to wash out her fur. Oh yeah, and wash with warm water as well. And after that, try to, when she's clean, try to wash out the soap on her body, and then use a tissue to wipe her fur. I mean, to make her dry, because I prefer to dry my hamster than they dry themselves. And so yeah, I think that's all for this video. And don't worry, no hamster, she's not harmed in this video. And so yeah, so I better stop, and I'll see you guys maybe next time. So bye bye.